Yo fam, it's a boy, here for another hit single. It's not gonna have any music in the background because I'm too cool for it. So yeah, let's hit it. Let's hit it, Steve-O. Alright, let's go. Milk and chicken nuggets, my friends want some of it. I say I'm on a budget. Pull my gun, they run from it. I got them from the dollar store. I vomit on the floor. I don't want no ketchup, cause that is just a chore. Hey, milk and chicken nuggets, you gotta sure tuck it. Give me that in a bucket, just make sure to pluck it. Give me some chicken, give me some meat. Boy, oh man, is that a kill. Skirt! Boy, what you say? You say that I'm ugly. No way, no way, no way, no way, no way, no way, no way. Just hear what I'm about to say. Milk and chicken nuggets, use the straw to suck it. You say that I run from it. When I press the gas, I gun it. Yeah. I need more, I need more. Boy, I'm dropping on the floor. Yeah, I lift, but I'm sore. If I win, keep score. Yeah. Milk and chicken nuggets, I thirst and fire duck it. When I see it, I say, I make love it. Cause I said, get out of my way. I gotta go to the play. Boy, what's wrong with your face? It's a big fat disgrace. Woo! Milk and chicken nuggets, I am the king of it. I don't need it, I want it. I need that soy sauce on it. Skirt! Boy, I'm done with this thing. Boy, I sing, all my energy is drained. Get out of my way. Milk and chicken nuggets, I made 600 from it, but I'm still on a budget. Give me milk and chicken nuggets, I need some more of it. And I'd rather be stunting. JK, I don't want none of it.